I'm Tim Lipham, and I haul asphalt for my cousin who has a construction company in Aspermont, Texas. And I guess we've been doing this. My uncle actually started the company at least 40 years ago. We seal coat the roads with state highways and farm market roads. We generally start in May and go through September. You can only shoot the asphalt when the temperature is above 70 degrees. Or the road surface has to be above 70 for you to be able to shoot the asphalt, which is 350 degrees when you apply it. We bring the asphalt anywhere from 8 to 20 loads a day, generally out of Big Springs, Texas, for the refinery. A mixture of tire rubber, which are ground-up tires that they melt down, which I think they tell me it's around 500 degrees. Cycle the tires, and it also forms a pretty good cushion on the road.